have it, 2019 5+1 on each side, 1/2 inch DeWalt. Drilled it in, stock modified exhaust. Let me know if you like it, and I will make some more videos. Also, if you like that brake torque, that's pretty simple. Just make sure you really hold down on the foot brake. Make sure you have control. You got to know the bike. Obviously, you can't just go and do that the first week you own it. But once you get to know the bike and you feel very comfortable with it, then I'll let you see what I look like, how you doing, but I know you'd rather look at the bike. Once you feel comfortable with the bike, then you can start doing a few things that most people won't tell you about it. Also, what I'm going to do next, on the next video, I'm going to drill out the over here by the cold air intake, the mouthpiece there. I'm going to drill that out. That'll be my next video. So talk to you later. Let me know if you like it.